All right. Well, good evening, everyone. You got Kody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Options Strategies, here at Simpler Trading, obviously, as you're watching this video. But what I wanted to bring to y'all this evening is it looks like Caterpillar may potentially be setting up for entry for potentially a long-term hold. Say the market doesn't want to turn around and rally. If it does or doesn't really matter what I think, but you can't deny that there for a while, Caterpillar has been outperforming, right? Well, after its pretty strong move up, it has pulled back down to the daily 200 SMA and closed on a reversal candle right here. So, I'm getting my pen. So this was a reversal candle right here as it kissed the daily 200 SMA from a technical analysis perspective. It came down to support, consolidated. You see all these wicks off this level? That is an indication that buyers were coming in off of this level. Now, the trigger long occurred today, and that will be a close above the reversal candle's high. It could be that candle, in fact, it reversed or has triggered it the entire way because it closed above all three of these candles. And what's interesting about this little zone is if you look over here, you see this really long HVA node right here, or HEN, HVA, however you wish to call it. It goes both ways and all means the same. Well, this just means that this is a large area of support based on volume. And this is a 2-year volume profile, I believe. Should be, or it was. No, this is 1 year. So 1 year volume profile. Scratch that. It is a 1 year. So in the course of a year, this is where volume has come in. Now, like I mentioned, if price has come down to the zone, close above all three of these candles at this level, this offers a really good risk-reward entry. It doesn't matter how you wish to trade it. It could be long leap calls. It could be a long duration diagonal. It could be tons of things. Potentially, at least at a minimum, targeting maybe 250 again in the long term. Like that's long. You'll have to trail your stop and whatnot along the way. So, all that being said, I'll be keeping an eye on Caterpillar for potentially a longer term hold. And also, if you take this out, if you look down here on this, really on the candle that hit the 200-day SMA, there's a lot of volume, or actually a lot of volume as soon as it was down here in this area. So, volume on the way down, volume as it was accumulated, triggering the way up. At least a daily 21 EMA up at basically 233 should at least be your first target. And then you could trail it up and let it go depending on your plan and overall market view. So yeah, that's what I bring to you in tonight's free video. Like I said, Caterpillar pulled back to the daily 200 SMA, also a HVA level from the 1 year time frame. Triggered long. First target basically 233, the daily 21 EMA, and up to you and how long you wish to hold it and trail your stop. Everyone have a great day, or I guess I'll say rest of your evening, and good luck and finish the week strong, and I'll talk to you all again on the next one. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me